Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Cynthia and thank you for clicking on my face. I had to think about that for a second. But anyways guys, so I'm testing out everything that I bought yesterday, which was what I showed you on last week's video. And so far I did my eyebrows and my eyes because I don't have anything new from that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. And I'll be right back. I am going to be using I believe like a more affordable eyeshadow palette, kind of like ColourPop or Morphe, something like that. So I'll be right back and then we'll start into getting and testing out these babies. I don't know what I said, but let's get it. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and try is going to be the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner and the shade Baby's Got Black. So let's get this baby open, and I'm going to try this out first before I apply any mascara or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my lower lash line.
Oh, I can see pigment, right? If you guys are wondering what eyeshadow palette I use.
So the eyeshadow palette is this one, the Give It To Me Straight palette, and I went ahead and I used BS for my crease, Frank on my outer corner, Truth Hurts to blend out the shades, and then I went ahead and I used TMI, and then I used TMI as my eyelid base eyeshadow, and then for my brow bone I went ahead and I mixed up front and straight up. So for lashes I'm going to go in with the voluminous Carbon Black mascara. Now I'm always up for a new mascara. I love investing on mascara products because I don't wear fake eyelashes ever, and when I do, it has to be like a super special occasion, or even like on special occasions I'll be like, do I really need to wear fake eyelashes? So I'm going to curl them how I normally curl my eyelashes. I'm just going to be root, middle, and end. And also keep in mind, not everyone has the same lashes, so I mean it could work for some other people and maybe it doesn't work for me, because like for example, mascaras that I love don't work out for my mom. And then almost every mascara she uses works out fine for me. I think it's just getting to know what your lashes like, kind of like the formula and stuff like that. So right off the bat I can see the mascara. The first coat is okay. I do like how dark and pigmented it is, but I don't see, well, now that I'm doing the second coat I can see like a better shape of my lashes. Oh my god, my stomach. And that's good. So on the second coat, I like the mascara. Yeah, I'm liking it. I think it's a good mascara. I like how my lashes look like black and all. So now I'm going to go in with some primer. Right now I'm going to test out a primer and a applicator, which is going to be the Wet n Wild sponge, and this got double in size. Like, this is where, let me see, make sure this is where it's supposed to be, and look how big it got. Like, and it's so nice and squishy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. Now I did do my skincare routine like I always do, giving this a fair shot. You want to see, so this primer is supposed to blur and pore minimize. So I'm just going to apply this and focus it on my pore area, and it smells silicone-y. I don't find that necessarily bad. I'm not like, I don't have a big problem with smells. Like, it doesn't bother me. The only thing that I don't appreciate is things not working out and stuff like that. And it does feel kind of sticky, so maybe that's good. Now I'm going to take the rest of the concealer that I have in my hand that I used for my brows. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is going to be the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade 203 Nude Beige. I really want to try the Pro Matte and see how it works out, especially for me in the summer. I do have combination oily skin, so we can see how that plays out. So let's go in. Oh, this feels so sad. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this side, blending that out. It's working fine, it's not taking too much. I always do have to go with 2 layers to get some coverage in here. But it's normal. I mean, it's a dewy foundation. This is my second bottle of this foundation, so if you guys haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. It's a really good foundation, especially for like days where your skin is very dry and you want to have the appearance of like nicer dewy skin. I really recommend this foundation, or even for the summer. Just make sure you set it so at the end of the day you look dewy, you don't look greasy. And so far my pores did minimize. I don't see them as much as I normally do sometimes, and that's a good thing. Yeah. So my holy grail sponges are the Morphe one and the Real Techniques one, but guys, I think this might turn into my new holy grail. So as for concealer, I thought let's just keep the drugstore thing going here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Concealer and Perfect. This isn't new for me. I've had this for a while. And it's a good concealer. I do think that I might have gone a little too white, but I did grab this to basically clean up my brows, and I kind of do like my brows to be a little bit highlighted, but not that much during the summer, so I haven't used this for my brows in a while. Being totally honest with you guys, I can't see my pores. I can barely see them. So this primer, guys, I might just actually switch this with the Smashbox one. The Smashbox one for the pores, I can still see my pores, and I obviously don't like that. I'm very insecure about my pores. But guys, oh my god, this primer, so far everything is a 10. The powder that I'm using is the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Setting Powder. It's a good powder, I will say, but if I don't do this method of pressing in the powder, I will get oily. But with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, it doesn't happen. And it didn't happen with the Fenty one with the Airspun powder. Unfortunately, the Airspun powder does flashback, so that's a negative. Let me just pour a little bit more. I haven't been baking recently because it's summer. I obviously don't want to look cakey or anything. I don't want to look, well, I mean, is it really summer when it's like freaking cold AF in the morning? But this method of pressing in the powder rather than swiveling around a brush has been working wonders for me. And I don't think I necessarily look matte. I think it just helps me control the oil more. First, I wasn't very like convinced on this method until I saw a couple people do it, and then I was like, okay, maybe this method is legitness. So I decided to start doing this, and honestly guys, I cannot stop. If I want to look dewy, then that's when I will just use a powder brush to apply powder. If I'm going to be like out of my house and I need for my makeup to be, you know, good for the rest of the day, then I will use this method. But guys, such a good sponge. So good. Okay, so the mascara is pretty good. Like, look at my eyes. They look like black. Well, I mean, it is carbon black. I'm going to be using the Milani Suntan Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. So I'm going to kind of like contour in a sense, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M437, and I'm just going to focus this on the temples. I cannot believe there hasn't been any misses so far. Like, that's crazy. So for the fluffier brush, I'm going to go with an Aesthetica P12 brush, and this I'm just going to use it to blend this out a little more, but I am again applying some bronzer onto my brush as well. I'm going to go with the flat side of my sponge, and I'm going to take some powder and I'm going to clean up the edges. I'm going to apply the Milani Coral Cove blush, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M530. And I know this looks very neon, but on the skin, this looks so nice and natural. Like, look at that. So good. Oh God. This isn't new, but I wanted to keep the drugstore theme going of this whole face. And okay, so to kind of rub off the powder, I'm just going in with the Morphe E41 brush. I'm just taking off the powder just so it doesn't look like a brown blob right there. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Revolution Sport Fix. So first I'm going to go ahead and apply it with a ColourPop F5 brush, but I'm going to set my face. I'm going to press very lightly because I also don't want to apply like a whole, you know, pack of this on my face. So, oh my God. Okay, I'm going to soften it up with a Japanesque fan brush. Oh my God, guys, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see how it applies with a Japanesque brush. And yeah, this is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. And this is in the shade I'm So Lit, if I didn't mention that before. Okay. Oh my I think to get my perfect shade, I would probably go ahead and mix this one with Hustle and Glow. Or I don't know, guys. This is so pretty. I think this is so pretty for like my paler days, which would be like now. But guys, oh my god, so damn beautiful. I think I applied it like as a mustache, not necessarily as a Cupid's bow highlight. But oh my god, so damn pretty, guys. Like Wet n Wild is coming for high-end products. Like they're coming hard. So this is the e.l.f. Matte Blotting Mist, and this has Colin clay. I'm not sure, but this is, it says give your skin a touchless touch up with this mattifying spray. So let's get into this. It does smell like clay, I will say, but let's get into it, into the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick in I'm So Pretty, number 5. So this is a very pretty nude. I think I just needed to line my lips, but I don't have time for that. So I'm just like, fuck it. So for the lip plumper, I know for a fact I love this product. This is the Lip Nourishing Lip Plumping Gloss, and it's so good. This is in the shade 05 Gold Dust. So it's so good. Oh my god, I fucking love these. Love this. I think this was a success, guys. I love everything I use. I think it's so good. I'm so happy that drugstore brands are coming for high-end brands, because oh my god, guys, like these products were amazing. I love them. The one that I am kind of questioning is the lipstick. This one didn't have a lot of pigment in it, but maybe I just need to work with it more, or because it's new, maybe it's not applying so well. But oh my god, guys, I loved every single thing. This was honestly my favorite thing for $3. So damn good. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those post notification bells so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Share with your friends and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on my next video.